Hello there, YouTube. I hope you all are having a blessed day. It is partly cloudy here today on the mountain, and it is the day before the dreaded winter storm that's going to be hitting the country and I guess hitting where I live in the very northwest corner of North Carolina. And the forecast went from up to 20 inches of snow to an inch of ice. I'd much rather have the snow, honestly. Me and ice don't get along. But today I wanted to have a play in, of course, in some watercolors. I pulled a prompt card from this Get Messy Art prompt card set, and I pulled a set of cards, and I thought that I would have a play with that. So let me turn the camera around and we'll get started. So I had a bit of a play with the prompt cards here in a smaller journal. I will get into that now. So these are the Get Messy Art Journal prompt deck, and I picked one from, there's 1, 2, 4, there are 5 categories. So I picked medium, and the medium is pencil or graphite. And so I have some metallic pencils. I have some metallic pencils here. I have graphite here, and I have graphite watercolors. So I may be pushing it, but they didn't say I couldn't use something like paint with graphite in it. So that's what we're going to be using, and I gave it a play yesterday, and I really like how the concentric circle turned out. So the next one is technique, and it says cut a piece out of the page. So I don't know how I'm going to address that. Don't know how that's going to happen. We might could figure that out together. Now the next one is marks, and it says crosses, so I can do that. The next one is color, and it says look around your home and use that color palette. My home is American garage sale roadside acquisition. That's my style. My entire house is painted a light buttery yellow with white trim, and that's not going to work. The house used to be dark brown, so that would kind of fall into these paints. So we may have to toss that one out the window.
Put out the window.
The next one is artist, and this artist's name is Meryl. I'm not sure who she is, but it says write a letter to yourself. So what I'll do is I'll scribble on the page before I start the painting, and that will take care of that. Okay, I have tried a number of writing implements on here on this paper, and I can't find one that will write smoothly on it. This is very rough. It almost feels like sandpaper. So I am just going to write myself a Bible verse on here in a pencil, and it's going to be sloppy. It's going to be in the background, and you probably won't be able to see it in the end. And this is Isaiah 40:31. So the verse is, but those who trust in the Lord will find new strength. They will soar high on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. Okay, so there is my verse. Okay, so this takes care of the artist's prompt, write a letter to yourself, and use pencil or graphite. I've already used pencil on this, and I have some metallic pencils. These are Statler. I got them from Sketchbox, and these are graphite sticks. Of course, then I have the Kiritaki graphite colors that we will paint on top of this. I think what I will do is just draw some spirals on the page, and if they show up in the end of the piece, it'll just give it a little more interest. But we can start, like I said, just doing some basic mark making on the page. Anything that Kiritaki puts out, I am a fan of, except for this white pen. Oh, don't get me started with this pen.
You're supposed to be right. Look at you. Nothing. You had one job.
This Zig Cartoonist Mangaka Opaque. It worked fine for a few days. Now we can come back with all sorts of goodies to play on this, but first I am going to let this dry natural so that the paints have a chance to move around and settle and do what they do. I have a selection of stuff here to play with, and to do some decorating on the top, I have these. These are extremely old. This is King Art, and these are kind of like a gelato or a temper stick. And I love my temper sticks, so I think I'll use both of those. All right, I think I will do some initial mark making with the pencils. And I like that I can see the writing in the background. It adds a nice little texture and curiosity to the piece. And you can see how easy this was to do. Now these things dry right quick, so if you want to use them, don't wait. If you want to try blending or adding water, the tempera sticks dry almost instantly. I've seen people do amazing paintings with these, blending them and multiple layers. It's just amazing stuff. These are very similar to the tempera sticks. I think the tempera sticks are a little bit creamier than these are. These feel like there's a little bit of resistance when you are working with it. I'd like to play with my Stabilo Woodies that I just recently got. We have a pretty gold, have a pink, purple, got a green, let's try this blue. Ah, yes, here, I almost forgot. I have to cut a piece out and I have to add crosses. And the last one is I have to cut a piece out of the page. So that's going to require me to remove this from the block. And if you look on a block, it's sealed with glue all the way around it except for back here. And that's where you can get separation in there. So you just stick your tool in here and you just slowly work your way around. If you get too rough with it, you could tear your paper, and that would make us very, very sad. There we go, that's off. So there we have our piece. And we need to cut out a window. How do I want to cut out a window? Where do I want to put a window? And there's our little hole. Now, if we don't like that, what we can do is we can take a different kind of paper and stick it behind so it sticks in there. Or we can just leave it and think about it and then come back to it at another time. And the colors, the camera is not showing the true colors to me. It looks like it's leaning more green, but this is actually quite a rosy pink. There is more color in here than what you're seeing, so hopefully the thumbnail will look a little better. And I kind of like the little hole that just gives a little bit of interest. So I hope you enjoyed this fun little video, and I hope that you will give it a try. I hope you learned something. If you are interested in the tempera sticks, any of the art supplies that I use here, they are in my Amazon shop. So if you go down to the description down below, you will find a link to my Amazon shop. I hope I gave you a little bit of de-stress and pain relief and elevated spirit. So that's what it's all about. That's why God gave us all this creativity, is so that we can share it with the world and help uplift people. If you have not, please do go hit the subscribe button. And I do have a postcard club membership here on YouTube. And if you join that level of membership, I will send you a handmade piece of art once a month as a thank you. And if you are not a member, please do hit the subscribe button. And please remember, everybody, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and on your social media, and leave a comment down below telling me how you are. Have a very blessed week. I love you all very, very much. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are fair.